Hello everyone, my name is Hilda and welcome back to my channel for day 15 of Vlogmas. Let's see what we get. No box opening skills, none whatsoever. And it's another blue nightshade. So nightshade is a standard blue, so no shimmer, no sheen. Could be good for my upcoming monochrome blue portrait, which I keep talking about. I'm doing a whole rainbow monochrome portrait series in school and I haven't done blue yet. So I'm thinking this might come handy. I think my brush is a bit too wet, but at least you can immediately see what it looks like diluted. That's a nice blue, but I will say that at first sight it does not look too terribly different from regular fountain pen blue. So I'm not that excited, but you know, we'll see what happens. Might still be different when it dries, but I'm not having high hopes. Let's paint with it. This is super, super diluted. I will use this for the skin. And you could argue that I should have used a different brush, but considering I'm going to go in darker on the goggles and the hat, it doesn't matter if I'm not that neat with it. This is actually based on Lani. It's just like, oh no, I've gone outside the lines. It's just like a really quick doodle of an elf, like the elves you see in Prep and Landing, which is my favorite Christmas movie. So yeah, well, wait till that dries. Okay, so I am starting to think that this is not a blue at all, but a purple. However, when you dilute it, you get some blue sheen coming through it, well, some blue elements, because it's a blue-based purple ink. So that's cool because it kind of goes multicolored. If you add more water, then it does. This is still drying though, but you get the idea. Yeah, so it's kind of more like Seize the Night, which we had the first day, which can go very deep purple when you add water, but then does this purple-based Caput Mutum when it's undiluted. So yeah, this is a very diverse ink for painting with. In hindsight, would not use in a monochrome portrait because it shifts to an all other color if I'm not careful. But it's very fun and I will definitely keep it as a painting ink. As a writing ink, it's kind of boring. But yeah, I will continue with this once it's dry. I just wanted to interject it as it's completely drying. And to continue day 15, let's see who we get in our Funko advent calendar. Accidentally open 14 again as well. So let's see who it is. Taking the cover off my scissors might help. And it is, come on, the clown. I already got him. Seriously, I already have one of these. I got it a few days ago. I will have to insert which day up below because I can't remember, but I have 2 clowns now. Okay. That was unexpected. Yeah, we got another clown. For those that don't believe me and haven't seen the other video where I pulled him, proof. If the clown demon happens to have an identical twin in the movie and I somehow forgot about it, please remind me in the comments down below, but somehow I feel like this is just an unnecessary double. Yeah, I believe it happened to Cherry Wallace in her Harry Potter Funko calendar last year that she got one of the Weasley twins twice and then she didn't get the other twin, so that was Bizarro World. At least we got Lock, Shock and Barrel. I really don't need 2 of these. What in the blazes? I mean, if you have this calendar, please let me know down below. Did you also pull a clown for day 15? Or did you pull something else, somebody else entirely? I would love to know what's happening here. Because it is a mystery and I feel it needs to be solved. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave them out. Both of them for the rest of the conclusion. Nightshade. Well, it's kind of suitable. Should have been Sally today with her deadly nightshade. But anyway, it's alright. It's just this blue-based purple ink. When I first applied it, it seemed like just regular fountain pen blue, but it isn't. It's fun enough. I would absolutely use this for a monochrome purple portrait, but were it not for the fact that it can go surprise blue. Aside from that, I would still paint with it for other stuff, because it's really fun for painting. For writing, it's a bit bland, but I can see how a lot of people would still like it if you're just in the market for a blue-based purple writing ink. So yeah, not super my bag. I don't hate it, but I could have gone without it as well. But I mean, it'll get used up, so there's that. Let me know in the comments down below. What did you think of this? Did you get a double Funko in any of the Funko advent calendars? Because this is clearly not just an issue with this one. I would not do the dishes with this guy, but anyway, mispronunciations aside, because words, am I right? But yeah, it's not an issue with just this one, so yeah. Let me know how you feel about this. It does, like, cement my decision not to get another Funko advent calendar, but that might just be, like, famous last words, and we'll see next year. But yeah, or just leave a comment. If you do leave a comment, please be kind. And subscribe if you want to see more shenanigans. Hopefully we won't have to get another double. That would kind of suck. But yeah, if you want to see more from my channel, we're nearing the end of Vlogmas, slowly but surely. 10 more days to go. Okay, so maybe not that slowly. But yeah, if you want to see more from my channel, I swear I don't just do ink tryouts. But yeah, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Stick around and for more. And I will see you tomorrow for day 16 of Vlogmas. Bye bye!